I throw the ball to my dog every morning. I am throwing out old clothes right now. I have just thrown away the receipt. I have been throwing pots at the studio for months. I threw a party last weekend. I was throwing darts when you arrived. I had thrown out the box before I found the warranty. I had been throwing up all night before I saw the doctor. I will throw the first pitch tomorrow. I will be throwing snowballs with the kids this afternoon. I will have thrown out all the junk by Sunday. By June, I will have been throwing pottery for a year.